What is up guys, it's Nicole Guzman for another video, and for today's video I just want to make a good tips and tutorials. Paano nga ba makakakuha ng magandang footage gamit lamang ang iyong mobile phone. This is the 2-minute tip Tuesday for you guys, and roll intro, let's go! Tip number 1 guys is the proper handling and gestures kung paano kumuha ng b-roll or video gamit yung mobile phone. So a lot of us have several techniques kung paano kumuha using the mobile phone. Some are doing handheld, some they have the DIY rig. And you can also experiment a lot of things kung ano man yung attachments na meron ka sa mobile phone kung saan ka mas komportable. So ako kasi, pag nag-vlog ako mobile phone, usually ang ginagamit ko lang is yung stand, yung tripod, or handheld. So hindi na ako gumagamit ng extra rig dahil hindi ko pa siya na-experience honestly. May tayong technique lalo na sa mga hand gestures and footwork, and lilink ko na yung description ko kung paano ko ginagawa yung b-roll handheld gestures ko. Number 2 in my list would be the smooth transition. I'm not talking about yung mga template na nada-download natin sa Adobe Premiere. Guys, mas maganda mag-start tayo in manual, wag tayo masyadong umasa sa templates. Pero if gusto nyo naman na drag and drop na lang, sige go, wala kang bahala dun. Pero mas maganda if lahat tayo is masasana tayo mag-manual dahil dadating yung time, nandoon pa yung freedom natin gumawa ng transition pag handheld. Number 3 in my list guys is the stabilization. Napaka-importante yung stabilization. Bakit? Dahil mobile phone yan guys, hindi naman tayo gumagamit ng gimbal, hindi tayo gumagamit ng glider. And paano pag handheld yung gamit mo tapos wala pang auto stabilization yung phone mo? Napaka-importante yan guys. Good thing is some cameras right now, like I'm using is iPhone XR, they have built-in auto stabilization na pag nasushoot ako kahit naglalakad ako, hindi masyadong shaky yung footage. Tinitignan ng mga viewers natin is yung importante yung audio. Kung hindi maganda yung audio, hindi nila masyadong papanoorin yan. At isa is yung pag masyadong shaky yung footage mo, maliles yung video quality, maliles yung experience ng mga nanonood sa'yo. So napaka-importante na stabilize yung kuha nyo guys, which is you can do in Premiere. Meron din si Snapseed, which is yung tinatawag natin na warp stabilizer. Meron akong video doon, ililink ko na lang dito sa taas. Sana may natutunan kayo sa ating 2-minute tip Tuesday, and kita-kits na lang sa 2-minute tip Tuesday next week. Kita-kits na lang guys sa next video. Adios!